Okay, for this problem, we're given v prime of x is equal to 4x to the 1/3 minus 12x to the negative 1/3. Our initial condition is that v of 8 is equal to 11 when x is greater than 0. Okay, so what we're going to do is solve this, change this to dv dx first, equals 4x to the 1/3 minus 12x to the negative 1/3. Okay, we're going to move the dx over here, and we're going to integrate both sides. So the dv would be over here, and the 4x to the 1/3 minus 12x to the negative 1/3 will be over here with the dx. We'll integrate both sides, which will give you v, or v of x if you want to write it that way. If we integrate this, remember we add 1, and then we divide by that new exponent. So it's 4x to the 4/3. We're dividing by 4/3, which is the same thing as multiplying by 3/4. Okay, minus 12x to the, add 1 to the negative 1/3, and that becomes 2/3. Divide by 2/3, which is the same as multiplying by 3/2, plus c. Okay, let's clean that up a little bit. The 4's go away. This turns into a 6. So you get v of x is equal to 3x to the 4/3 minus, that would be 18x to the 2/3 plus c. All right, now you're going to use your initial condition. V of 8 is equal to 11. So set it equal to 11 and plug in an 8. So 3 times 8 to the 4/3 minus 18 times 8 to the 4/3 plus c. And you need to solve for c. Okay, some of these you could probably do by hand. I'm going to go ahead and use the calculator to do them. Okay, so 3 times 8 to the 4/3 minus 18 times 8 to the, that should have been 2/3. 2/3. Okay, that gives you negative 24. So 11 is equal to negative 24 plus c. You add the 24 over, and that gives you 35 on the other side. 35 equals c. So your final answer, you go back up to this one right here and put the 35 in place of c, and then you're done. So v of x is equal to 3x to the 4/3 minus 18x to the 2/3 plus 35. And that's it.